Are you looking for the top Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the top Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. S119 GPS Drone. A moment above the ground changes everything when the S119 GPS Drone 8K professional dual-camera drone brushless obstacle avoidance Wi-Fi FPV foldable RC quadcopter helicopter rises into the sky and captures life from a new angle. Every flight feels like a personal story unfolding, turning ordinary surroundings into breathtaking cinematic memories that stay with you forever. People searching for a powerful drone experience often want more than just control. They crave freedom, excitement, and a sense of discovery. This device answers that desire by delivering a smooth journey through the air, helping users feel confident while exploring new heights. Whether it is a peaceful afternoon or a vibrant cityscape, every view becomes more meaningful when seen from above. The emotional connection builds as each captured frame reflects moments that words cannot express. Family gatherings, travel adventures, or quiet sunsets gain a deeper value, making each memory feel richer and more alive. It is not just about flying, it is about creating something unforgettable that you can revisit anytime. Search trends show growing demand for smart aerial photography tools, and this model naturally aligns with what modern users seek. It blends innovation with simplicity, allowing anyone to enjoy a premium flying experience without feeling overwhelmed. The design supports effortless carrying, making it a perfect companion for spontaneous trips or planned shoots. Owning this drone feels like unlocking a new perspective on life, where every journey becomes a visual masterpiece and every memory gains a new dimension that truly stands out. Number 2. X40 PRO GPS Drone. A new level of excitement begins the moment the X40 PRO GPS Drone 8K high-definition camera 3-axis gimbal aerial photography 5 GHz Wi-Fi brushless avoid obstacles FPV fishing drone RC quadcopter lifts gently into the open sky and transforms simple scenes into unforgettable visual stories. Each flight brings a feeling of freedom that connects deeply with those who love capturing life from above. Modern buyers often search for a reliable aerial companion that delivers both emotion and performance. This model speaks directly to that desire by creating smooth motion in the air while allowing users to feel in control without confusion. From quiet countryside views to busy urban landscapes, every moment appears more vivid and meaningful through a higher perspective. Memories become more powerful when they are seen differently. Family trips, outdoor adventures, and peaceful sunsets gain a fresh dimension that stays in the heart. The experience feels personal, almost like painting the sky with your own vision. It encourages creativity and builds confidence with every journey taken. Online search behavior shows a growing interest in advanced flying devices that offer stability and clear visuals. This product aligns perfectly with those expectations, making it easier for beginners and enthusiasts to enjoy a premium aerial experience. Its portable nature supports travel without effort, turning every outing into an opportunity for stunning capture. Choosing this drone feels like opening a door to endless exploration, where every flight adds excitement and every captured scene becomes a lasting memory worth sharing again and again. Number 3. Xiaomi Z104 GPS Drone. A fresh perspective begins the instant the Xiaomi Z104 GPS Positioning Drone 8K high-definition aerial photography dual-camera brushless quad-rotor obstacle avoidance aerial RC UAV rises into the air and reveals scenes in a way that feels truly magical. Everyday surroundings suddenly appear richer, deeper, and filled with emotion that connects instantly with the heart. Many people look for something that turns simple outings into meaningful experiences. This flying device answers that need by giving a sense of calm control while exploring wide open spaces. Watching the world from above creates a peaceful feeling, allowing users to escape routine and enjoy a different view that feels almost dreamlike. Special moments become more valuable when captured from a unique angle. Family time, travel memories, or quiet evenings gain a new story that feels personal and unforgettable. Each recorded frame holds emotion, helping you relive those memories with greater depth and clarity. It is not only about recording visuals, it is about preserving feelings that matter. Search interest continues to grow for smart aerial photography solutions that offer both simplicity and reliability. This model naturally fits those expectations, making it easier for anyone to step into the world of creative exploration without stress. Its design supports effortless movement and makes every journey more exciting. Owning this drone feels like discovering a new way to see life, where every flight builds confidence, every view inspires creativity, and every captured moment becomes something worth keeping close forever.